this here is a Tokyo Rugby World Cup fan zone, and you can see where these people are standing. Right in front of it is the mascot for the Rugby World Cup. Right there. Check it out. Go inside. Those are the two mascots, and you get to take pictures with them. But more importantly, if you've come here for rugby, this is the right place. Wow. I had no idea that this is what a fan zone would be like. I didn't even know it existed until about 15 minutes ago when I walked by here and I found a bunch of people entering this building, and they said this is where the fan zone is, and they're watching a rugby game. I believe it's is it England? I don't know, but I'm not tall enough because there's so many tall Westerners here to get in the front and see who's actually playing. But guess what? They've got food here. They've got food, and I'm hungry for a snack, so let's go get some rugby food. Shall we get some rugby food? Hey, everybody. Welcome to the Rugby World Cup zone. Right here, whoosh, to my left is Rugby Fair. And I guess it's all sponsored by Heineken. Check this out. Wow. Fish and chips. Fish and chips, Heineken beer, Chuhai. They got an Argentine chiroi pan. I've never seen that before. That looks pretty good. I might try that. And they have a kebab. So lots of good fare here at the fan zone. Very friendly people serving very hungry people. This is rug food. Ronald has it right. But also over here, it's a lot of foreign visitors here. But they also have they're selling merchandise and stuff. So I'm gonna take you around this area a little bit, and then we're gonna go get some food to end this. So stick around. Maybe fast forward if you're in playback if you want to go right to the food, because I'm gonna try that Argentina sandwich thing. Oh, check it out! You could dress up as the mascots. How cool is this? What? That's very cool. So you can wear the wig and become one of the mascots with the wicked long hair. This is going on, I guess, until the end of the World Cup. The Rugby World Cup goes on for a couple more days. This is the semifinals right now. The semifinals is happening right now. And this is going to be a record of what it was like to be at the fan zone, because the fan zone ends in Tokyo when the event ends. Here's the gift shop. So they got some pretty cool stuff here in the gift shop. I guess rugby players like to wear official Japan rugby shirts as well. Whoa. Oh, it's got all the teams on there. How cool is that? That's really cool. Yeah. All right. Yeah, the Japan team is still in it. Japan team's still in it. Oh, look at that t-shirt. I like it. It's got all of the logos of the rugby teams on it. Let's check this out here. The Wallabies, Rugby Canada, Rugby England, Flying Fujians. That's pretty neat. And they've got all different sizes as well. There's the one with the rugby logo on it. What are the prices like on these? Oh, check out this hat. This is hardcore. This is every Springboks on the back. That's pretty sweet. This hat is running about... Doesn't have a price on it. Oh, about $40 for that. And the t-shirts are running about $25. Yeah, this is Rugby World Cup swag, and it's going pretty quick. Oh, that's an awesome t-shirt. Awesome towel. Look at that towel. Wow, there's Mount Fuji. Whoa, cool. Look at that. These are really pretty towels. These don't look too pretty for tough guys, I think, though. What do you think? And then they have some of the badges. Some swag here. Stuff we all don't get. I found out it means stuff we all get. It's supposed to be free swag, but that's a really nice looking shirt. Kind of big. This is 2XL size. These are 7,900 yen, or about $75. Let's see in this shop a little bit. Oh, here's the official rugby mascots. I do like their hair. I do like the hair that they have. Look pretty tough. Cool. These plushies. It's a good way to remember also the Rugby World Cup, I think. And then of course there's some fans. Rugby World Cup fans in the fan zone. There's fans in the fan zone. These are running about $25 for each of these fans, and they do look pretty cool. They're made of some kind of material, of course, material. Cool. I don't think Kanai wants a rugby plushie. But she probably would rather have the sandwich. So let's go back into the arena, the watching arena. Yeah, you got to be tall to see. Let's go get a sandwich. Hey, Zato71 has just bought us a sandwich, everybody. Thank you. Argentine chili pan お願いします。はい。はい。はい。Oh, もうできた。Oh, wow. I got it. Rugby food. I got rugby food, everybody. All right, let's go to the corner. Oh, she got rugby food too. All right, check this out. Feels light. Something's happening. It's hard to see. I'm gonna go in the corner here. It's hard to see. All right, let's check out the sandwich here. Rugby food. Oh, it's like a sausage. That looks pretty good. It's an Argentina sausage with sauce and lettuce, and it's presented pretty well. So there's my snack. What do you guys think? That was about $7.50 or so. Let's give it a try. The game's going on back there. I'm more interested in the food than the game, but let's give this a try. Looks really good. There's a lot of Springbok fans here. You can tell from the shirts. South Africa representing. There's one right there. There's not a lot of tables to eat at. There's one over there. But the games are happening live right now, so you might be able to see them on your TV set, but I don't want to get it too much because there's copyright and all that stuff. I ate all the sausage. Let's see if we can get to the front. Yum, yum. Let's see how close we can go. Yeah. How you doing? Good. Who's playing?
England, Australia.
Oh, England versus Australia. Wow.
Australia's got 3 points.
I was just walking by and came in. Who are you rooting for? Neither of them. He watches the show. It's England versus Australia. I'm not sure who I'm rooting for. Australia, and I like England. My grandmother is English. She was English, so maybe you can only see 20% of the screen. You guys see the action? Something happened on that screen in front of us. Goes on, H writes, needs a beer. I don't know if I can afford it. I actually did not expect to be coming here. I didn't expect to be coming here, so I didn't go to the bank yet. That was my last 1,000. Let me see. I might be able to get a drink. This is pretty cool, although I can't see anything. Everyone's so tall. I don't know if they expected like 200 centimeter people to be in the front. Should be a rule. I want what she has. Wow. So you can watch at that main TV where I was. There's one here on the side. In case you can't see the main one, there's one on the side there. You can see sort of there. I can't see. And then there's another TV over on the other side. Something happened. Everyone is so tall. So tall. Oh, that's cute. Tokyo has a little stand here to promote Tokyo. It's cool. You're not allowed to bring food and drink into the little booth area, but they got AstroTurf, and that stands for something. Stands for a beautiful green city. That's what they want in Tokyo, Tokyo. Oh, I can get my beer right there. So they're serving only Heineken here. And as you can see, an overview of this place. There's 3 TVs inside of the fan zone. All 3 of them are showing the same thing, and they show the main screen has some statistics on the left and the right, which is pretty interesting. But if you get deeper into the fan zone, it's easier to watch the rugby matches. It's a little bit darker in there as well. It looks pretty cool. So there you go. That's what the fan zone here looks like. They do a really good job of recycling everything. Let me just show you the garbage here. So there's incombustibles, which means non-burnable, which is plastics and things, and then combustibles. I don't think everybody understands how to separate the garbage, and they probably do that later. They have plastic garbage here, and then there's leftover foods. That's interesting. Leftover foods, cans, and glass bottles. So I like the way that they recycle here in Japan. Make sure that everything goes in the right place. Something happened! Woo! I think it was Australia. Very cool. The score? Ronald, you gotta check on TV. Isn't it playing? So the fans here are very, very worked up. They're very, very excited. These are the people who couldn't get tickets to go to the event, probably. But being here is pretty exciting. It's not the same as being inside the stadium, but it's a pretty good second. It's a pretty good... I'm in the same country and in the same city, sort of, but I'm not there yet, sort of a feeling, I guess. It's fan zone. It's for fans. It's fan zone. Wrap my head around it. But you can see definitely who the fans are by what they're wearing. I saw some all-black fans, some Springbok, some South African fans. There's some Japan fans. That's a Japan shirt, the Sakura team. Sakura flowers is their mascot, I guess. I don't know too much about the rugby. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna go outside and show you the outside of it. I might even come back. Here. It's really exciting. I gotta go get Kanai. We gotta come back to the fan zone. The exit's this way. I've also found in the fan zone, I found a dead zone. This is the World Cup rugby. These are big. These are pretty big.